Hello friends, nature. Our topic is nature today, and we today explain about the plant. What is the means of plant? Every person know that we can't live without plants because it gives us a fresh air and we can take a breath, and it provide us oxygen. So means that plant is very necessary for our life. So we should plant it, and lots of plants you have should be. If you not follow these instructions, and if you not follow the laws of the plants, and you not using any plant in your house, uh, it may be very harmful for you. So you can use lots of plants in your home, and you can take from your market lots of plants like a rose, mint plants, and lots of plants like tulsi. It is very necessary for your house, and it's give you the nice environment in for you, and beautiful skies, and beautiful plants always gives you good things and peace of your mind, and nicely it's very beautiful for you. And you can see there, uh, it's a greeny, and green always gives you positive things, and we must enjoy this environment. So plant is very necessary for us. So I think uh, we always gives it gives us nice air, fresh air. And so please you join to with plants, and get lots of plants at your home. Thank you. Bye.